So you probably don't know this, but your OnePlus 12 or OnePlus 13 has a built-in equalizer 10 bands that you can get access to with these particular settings. And of course, you will need to be connected to a Bluetooth earphones, earbuds, or a speaker to get access to these features here. And let's get started. To find the 10 bands equalizer, you'll need to go ahead and make sure you have a connected device, as I mentioned earlier. Then once that's set up, go to the settings here. Under settings, go down a little bit until you see sounds and vibration right there. Once you enter here now, you'll see these different set of options here. And I want you to go down until you see sound effect settings. This right here. Tap on that one time, and once you have, again, a connected device, it'll show you the name of it, and you need it in order to access Dolby Atmos, which is what you need to get access to the 10 bands equalizer. So switch it over to Dolby Atmos right here by tapping there and selecting it. So you'll need to switch now to the scenario profile. So if you notice, these here won't give you anything else but just these here. So go to scenario profiles, then go to movie. Of all of them, movie gives you access to the equalizer. So once you, not movie, I'm sorry, music, okay? I'm watching movie. Music here, go to music, and then go to equalizer right there. So you'll see if I go to gaming, there's no equalizer, but if I go to music, you're gonna see the equalizer here. And this is where you can get access to these here. So if you've been looking for this here, that's where you'll find it, like it said.